Hi George, welcome back to your English classes with your favorite teacher Lenin Castro. Today is Thursday, June 3rd, 2021, and we're going to talk about how do we ask for food in the different restaurants. In a restaurant, sorry. But first, let's see the types of restaurants that we have. We have the kind of restaurants that are based on the food that they serve. For example, Mexican, Italian, or sushi, a coffee shop, a fast food restaurant like McDonald's or Burger King, Taco Bell, or a steakhouse where they usually serve meat. We also have the catering or buffet, the small restaurants, the food trucks, or a pop-up restaurant. The vocabulary is different for each restaurant. But mainly we have these kind of things. We have the what do you know? What do you think it is? The chef. That is the one that cooks the food. We have the waiter, sorry, that is the man who serves you the food. Or if it's a woman, we call her waitress. We also have the kitchen, that is where the food is made. The dishwasher, that is the person that washes the dishes. And we have the place sitting, that is how we arrange the plate, the fork, the knife, and the spoon. We also have the reservation or book a table, that is when you call before you go in so they can have a table prepared for you. You can ask for a table for 4, for 3, for 2, for 1, for 10, depending on how many people are going to eat with you. We also have the menu, that is the thing that has the food right there. And we have the what is this dish served with, or what does this have has. That is the what is made of. The desserts, that are the things that we eat after we eat the meal, and drinks are the things that we drink. And service is all the people that work in the restaurant. Bill, it's the thing. Oh, could I have the bill, please? The bill is the thing where you see the prices and how much are you going to pay for the things that you eat. And tip, it's the thing that you leave for the waitress or waiter, depending on the service. But let's see the video on how you ask for food.
Hi, may I take your order? Yes, I'd like a hamburger, French fries, and a Coke. Anything else? No, thank you. That's it. Okay. For here or to go? For here, please. Hi, may I take your order? Yes, I'd like 2 cheeseburgers. Anything else? Yes, 2 large Cokes, please. Okay. For here or to go? To go, please. Let's role play.
Now, what we're going to do, George, is that we're going to repeat what they are saying. Okay? You and I. Hi, may I take your order? Yes, I'd like a hamburger, French fries, and a Coke. Anything else? No, thank you. That's it. Okay, for here or to go? For here, please. Hi, may I take your order? Yes, I would like 2 cheeseburgers. Anything else? Yes, 2 large Cokes, please. Okay, for here. Okay. Anything else? 2 large cokes, please. For here or to go? To go, please. Yeah, so that's it. We're going to practice more the day that I see you, but this is all for today. Thank you for watching the video, George, and see you on Monday. Have a very nice day. See you later.